You can make your web builds 3 to 6 times faster starting now. Web development today is dominated by TypeScript, but ReScript's new build system is here to challenge that, impacting both development and delivery of your web app. Today, I'm going to prove that's true by going over a recent benchmark of TypeScript versus ReScript builds for a medium-sized library. I'm Nathan Tranquilla. I've been a web developer for 14 years. Let's get into it. ReScript claims their build system is faster for both incremental and clean builds. But until now, there's been no hard data on just how much faster ReScript is compared to TypeScript. So I started looking around for a library written in TypeScript that I could manageably convert to ReScript for the purposes of benchmarking. In another video, I go over the criteria, strategy, process, and challenges I faced in identifying a suitable code base and migrating it over to ReScript. If you're interested in the details of that, I suggest you go check out this video and come back and meet me here. But for the sake of this video, here are the high points. Number one, I chose the Dinero.js core package. It has a medium-sized API of about 70 files, so small enough to be manageable, but large enough to provide meaningful data. Number two, the Dinero.js core package has excellent code coverage. I was able to retarget the existing test suite to cover the ReScript-generated JavaScript source files that I ported from TypeScript with 99% test code coverage. Number three, my testing strategy largely held up. AI did most of the grunt work, while I was simply there to direct it on how to handle the friction points between the type systems. With the rewrite accomplished, it was now a time to benchmark. I had to benchmark both incremental and clean builds. Clean builds are easy to benchmark. For TypeScript, you just remove the dist and tsbuild info files and repeat this several times and average the results. For TypeScript, you just remove all generated JS files and remove the lib folder, depending on where ReScript outputs. In our case, we're outputting it in source, co-located alongside our res files. For incremental builds, I wanted to identify a file that had a minimal rebuild impact. So I found one, and during the trials, I modified the source with a new function containing an embedded timestamp. Since the ReScript rewrite does not contain any .resi files, this resulted in rebuilds. For TypeScript, I enabled the incremental setting in the compiler. For these benchmarks, I made sure to use ReScript 12 and TypeScript 5. However, I also benchmarked against the TypeScript Go rewrite to see if ReScript is future-proof. If you'd like to see more technical details, the link to the forum post is in the description, where I include information like the hardware I used. The results are pretty amazing. ReScript is the clear winner for both incremental and clean builds. In the case of incremental builds, ReScript 12 is 2.5 times faster than TypeScript, and for clean builds, it's 6 times faster. The TypeScript Go rewrite is a little different. Benchmark results show that the Go compiler and ReScript compiler are in the same order of magnitude, with TypeScript winning by a small margin. The results tell me a few things. Number one, for this 70-file rewrite, the ReScript compiler outperforms TypeScript's compiler today and is roughly equivalent to the performance of the TSGo compiler in the future. This gives ReScript the advantage because you can gain all the benefits of the ReScript type system today while being confident that it at least matches the performance of the TSGo compiler in the future. Number two, we don't yet have ReScript benchmarks for large TypeScript code bases. Now, TypeScript types the JavaScript that you have, so depending on how much of the feature set you're using of JavaScript, build times are likely to increase significantly. Now remember that ReScript covers a subset of the JavaScript feature set, so by design, it's likely to win for larger code bases. But none of this is proven yet. If you want to understand how ReScript fixes TypeScript, then check out this video.